Have you ever wondered why women treat some men like garbage, while the same women desperately chase other men? If you think that the answer is related only to money or body shape, you are wrong. In fact, there are many good-looking guys out there that can't get a single date, and many rich guys that only get used by women for their money. So, which is the real secret? The answer is simple. High-value men know how to ignore women. The truth is that the majority of men are simps and are desperate to get a woman to talk with them. High-value men are the opposite. These men know exactly how to ignore women, and that drives them insane. Listen carefully. If you ignore a woman, you will attract her. Trust me. Women crave attention, and once you stop giving it to them, you immediately stand out from most other men. However, you need to know how to do it. There is a psychology behind that. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to apply it yourself. Are you ready for that? Now we go over 8 reasons why high-value men ignore women. Number 1, free attention. When a woman turns on her phone, she gets countless notifications from social media by simp men wanting to give her free attention. This inflates her ego before she has even brushed her teeth. Remember, a high-value man does not give attention for free. He might meet a woman and introduce himself to her to create a spark of connection, but after that, he stops the free attention. He has now put himself on the girl's radar but treats her as if she is nothing special. That's the key. This behavior will leave the woman confused, asking herself why you are not constantly chasing her like other men. Think about it. Plenty of men are giving her free attention on a daily basis. Why doesn't this man give her attention? Why is he so special? And the woman will wonder why she is not special enough herself to get your attention. She will go out of her way to get your attention because basically, she can't accept that you don't give her the validation she normally gets. Do not misunderstand my words. I'm not saying that you should play mind games with women while you fap all day or play video games. Although these mind games might work, if you actually value your time and life with important tasks, a high-value man has better things to do than to inflate a woman's ego with comments and likes on social media. Leave those tasks to the weaker beta males and give her a reality check that will humble her. Advice number 2, busy with your own purpose. A high-value man has his own grand objectives, and he's hell-bent on accomplishing them. Such a man is so focused and driven that he has no time for frivolous flirting or hollow relationships. Instead, he invests his energy in building a life he can be proud of. He doesn't sit around waiting for fortune to knock on his door. Instead, he takes the reins and makes things happen. He's proactive, productive, and stands out from the average Joe who showers women with attention every day. Getting a job, working out, and taking care of your physique are all part of the package. Picture this metaphor. Winning a woman over is like a battle, and to win, you need weapons. Your strength is your weapons of seduction. A wealthy life, a fit body, and a pleasant appearance are all part of your arsenal. Advice number 3, be bold. Before you can even think about ignoring a woman, you first need to be able to approach them like a man. Passivity is the path of the woman, not the man. High-value men seize what they want from life. They don't sit back and hope for things to happen. Remember, fortune favors the brave. High-value men understand that there are great rewards for those who dare to take risks. Don't be afraid to approach a woman. Waiting for her and being passive is for the losers. Remember, it's better to face rejection and failure than to live with the regret of never trying. You can always learn from your mistakes, but you can't turn back time to seize missed opportunities. The 4th piece of advice: learn to be alone. In this next segment, we'll explore the importance of independence and self-reliance. As we've already established, high-value men are not afraid of being alone. They value their solitude, using it as a time for introspection and personal growth. They understand that their self-worth is not tied to their relationship status, and they don't need a woman to validate their existence. They are complete in themselves, and they radiate this completeness, this confidence that is incredibly attractive. This doesn't mean that high-value men don't want or enjoy companionship. They do. But they understand the difference between wanting a woman and needing a woman. They want a woman who complements their life, not one who completes it. They are selective in their relationships, choosing only those who meet their high standards. So, gentlemen, learn to love your own company, learn to be comfortable with yourself, learn to be independent. This is the path to becoming a high-value man. Number 5. Stop rewarding bad behavior. In this following segment, we will delve into the concept of not rewarding bad behavior. High-value men understand the importance of not getting caught in the web of trivial disagreements and conflicts. If a woman consistently finds reasons to engage in irrational squabbles with you, it's best to avoid the trap. This usually indicates a lack of respect and appreciation for you, and it's a signal that you should distance yourself. By doing so, you send her a clear message that her outbursts will not be tolerated without consequences. In such situations, refrain from showering her with your usual care and attention until she acknowledges her misstep and apologizes. Avoid becoming overly emotional or reactive, as this can make you seem weak. Remember, women are not attracted to weakness. Instead, if you're unsure of how to respond, opt for silence and maintain a stoic demeanor. Silence can often be more impactful than unnecessary words. If you do choose to speak, be concise, precise, measured, and succinct. This strategy can help you regain control of the situation. Remember, as a high-value man, it's crucial to stand your ground and not reward bad behavior. This not only sets the tone for your relationship, but also boosts your attractiveness by showing your strength and resolve. Advice number 6. Be direct. In this segment, we discuss the importance of being direct and precise. High-value men understand the value of clear communication when interacting with a woman. Avoid vague statements and don't act like just another friend. Refrain from using excessive emojis or frivolous language in your texts. Be yourself, but remember to embody your masculine energy. A high-value man is concise and precise. There's no need to waste time discussing trivial matters. Leave the idle chatter to the simps. Always remember, it's better to face rejection and move on than to waste your time battling with a woman who doesn't value you. When a woman tries to play games with a high-value man, she is ignored or ghosted. This sends a clear message that she needs to be at her best behavior around him, and it also signals that he can replace her if need be. Many men waste precious time stuck in toxic relationships that are destined to crash and burn. Don't let yourself fall into this trap. Be discerning in your choice of companion and don't waste your time on those unworthy of it. The key here is charisma, which stems from a deep-rooted belief in oneself. Visualize yourself at the apex of your life, exuding strength and confidence. To develop this fearless mindset, it's crucial to recognize and nurture your own value. Begin by improving yourself in all aspects of life, and soon you'll find it hard to be daunted or overly impressed by any woman. Remember, you are your own greatest asset. If you enjoyed watching this video, take a moment to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.